So hey everybody, look, just a really quick video tonight about DaVinci Resolve and an issue I've been having inside of it ever since I updated to the newest version 18.1.4. I've been having this issue to where I load up my software, it hangs for over a minute sometimes, then it opens up and I can use it like normal, or sometimes after hanging for that minute or two at startup, it just straight up crashes and I have to cross my fingers and hope it works. There was a couple things that I tried to fix it, but it looks like this actually might be a true fix. So I'm going to show you all what I think is happening and how to fix it here, okay? So shout out to Dwayne here on the Blackmagic forums. Now under his name here on the forums, it says Blackmagic Design. So I would assume that will mean that he's actually a, Blackmagic employee. So if you are, sir, kudos to you, hats off. Whenever I sent him my log files for Resolve, he said that it looks like it's hanging because it's trying to connect to an external Fusion script server. And that's why it's hanging, because it can't find where this server's at that it's trying to link to. So it's crashing or just taking a very long time to look for it. And that's why it's hanging up. And I said, well, it's kind of funny because in my workflow, I never actually use Fusion, and I certainly do not have a Fusion script server set up somewhere remotely that I'm, getting scripts and stuff from for, Fusion effects or whatever it might be, or presets or anything, it's kind of cool because I sort of kind of found this on my own before he replied to my forum thread here, but he went ahead and just told me to do what I found. He said that once Resolve is opened up, you want to go to Preferences, System, then General. And then at the top of the General Preferences area, you're going to see a spot called External Script Using. All you got to do is click that little drop down, then select None. And so far, I've been able to use Resolve all day today, and it hasn't froze up on me once. It hasn't crashed on me at all. So that's pretty cool. So this is how you actually do it inside of Resolve, okay? To get there, all you have to do is this here, okay? Just like you said in that little forum post, DaVinci Resolve, Preferences, make sure you're on System, go down to the General tab, and right here, External Scripting Using None. And this is what fixed it for me. Now, again, I'm not sure if that's what's actually causing the issue, but I do know that in my workflow here, this actually got rid of that entire problem, and I'm able to use my software 100% no problem now. But for the last few weeks, ever since that latest update to, again, 18.1.4, I've been having this issue. And I got to a point where I was like, hey, you know what? I'm trying to come back to YouTube a little bit more, make more videos. But if this issue keeps up, I'm going to be forced to move back to Premiere Pro because I don't know what the heck is going on. So hopefully, if anybody else out there might be having this exact same kind of issue, I hope this helps. I really do. And if not, if you happen to find out your own solution to it, please leave a comment down below so I can replicate it to see if it might work for me in the future as well. And yeah, everybody, hope you'll have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll catch you guys and gals next time.